When we are tired from a long day's work, the abdominal roll down done in a slower, deliberate pace will be great because 1. It brings the energy back to our core here. That means it brings us back to our center. 2. It gives us space in the lower back because from working too much, we could possibly be sitting or standing too much, and that means we might end up with a tight lower back at the end of the day. And 3, while doing the segmental movement of the abdominal roll, we are focused on each segment of the movement, thereby bringing our attention to the exercise, allowing us to focus, and it slows down the mind from overthinking. Let's start to reap the benefits of this exercise. Have both arms stretched out in front of you, one weight in each hand. You're going to have the feeling of your legs pushing forward. You will feel a slight contraction in your hamstrings. And as that happens, you're going to start to rolling your abdominals, curling your lower back, sending your tailbone forward. Slowly rolling your pelvis to the back as you start to imagine your lower back touching the mat one vertebra at a time. Have your lower back on the floor or mat. Take an inhalation, exhale, and slowly curl back up. Continue to engage your hamstrings as you do that, as they would help a lot to support us in this exercise. Slowly bring your arms down. Take an inhalation. Exhale. Let's do one more. And start to roll down on an exhalation. Engage the back of your legs here, sending your tailbone forward, curling your lower back one vertebra at a time. Feel your lower back going down as your arms continue to feel like it's being pulled to the front. Your lower back is now touching the mat, upper back not. Take an inhalation. Exhale and start to come up slowly. Okay, now what if you can't go so low? You can't have your lower back touching the mat. Here is a modification. Have your arms to the front, same principle. Legs pushing forward, engaging the back of your legs, your hamstrings. Take an inhalation. Exhale and curl down. You can just curl down up to here and stay. You need to just breathe here, and on the next exhalation, focus on scooping your belly deeper. Not going down more, but focusing on scooping the belly deeper. One more inhalation. Exhale, scoop deeper, and slowly come back up. You can focus on breathing on an exhalation, just hollowing out your belly and scooping it in at an exhalation. Can be done repetitively for a few times because it's an exercise in itself. So until you feel quite comfortable with the scooping feeling and you can hold it there, you can start to bring the weights up, and you can decide to just stay here, whereby you continue to practice your breathing. Inhale, exhale, and scooping it deeper each time till you feel you are ready. Then you can start to curl your lower back down more. Do give the exercises a try, especially the practice of hollowing out the belly, scooping the abdominal in, and synchronizing that with breathing. Take it one step at a time, but nevertheless, keep practicing, keep progressing it a little bit every day, because only when we do that, the body gets a little bit more challenged, therefore it will improve, and to a point where we feel we are much more comfortable and at ease with our movement. Leave me any comment or questions in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Else, like and subscribe. And thank you for your participation, your viewership, and I see you in the next video.